Hi guys, good morning. We are here in the job right now, in the job site. Also, I'll tell you what is this all about. This is we call it this is for plumbing materials. This is every size is different. We call it a PVC white black is a 3 inch. As you can see, this is 3-inch size. Is gonna connected right there. Then this one is the 3-inch too, but they are always different fittings. I mean, it's different fittings like this here. So sometimes I get confused because I don't know what is this. Is straight 90, you know. And also this one here like this, all the way here is connected here. This is for the new house. This is we call it, I know this one is 3-inch coupling. And also this one here is we call it 3-inch, but it look like a straight 45, I think. This one here is what size, what is this, what size is this, like this? 3-inch combo. This is a 3-inch combo. So see, even me sometimes I'll get confused because I don't really know what kind of is that 3-inch combo. Also this one here, we lay it all right here. This is a straight 3-inch 90, a 3-inch straight 90, I think. All the way here. See, this one here is gonna be cleaned out. You're gonna put it clean out. So I'm trying to learn what is trying to learn all these fittings so that I'm going to work in the plumbing supply and what it's all look like. So this one is, what size is that? 3-inch combo. This one, how about this? 4 by 390. 4-inch, yeah. 4 by 390 we call it. So this is a 3-inch. So this is the new one now. We're working on it. And this is we call it 2-inch. 2-inch. What is this? 2-inch. This is 2-inch 90. Oh, straight 90. This is we call it is a P-trap. This is we call it P-trap. So they got connected there. 2-inch P-trap is here. This one is there. So thanks you for watching. This is today where we're working on,